Hello everyone and welcome back to episode 2 of the house building series. Today, Abby's got her athletics carnival.
Yeah.
And so, I did a little bit of a stitch up this morning. I got a pair of boots and buried them under the bricks of the rubble. So, I'll flick a photo up now. Just stop to take lunch break. I'm just get that working behind me. It's just lunch. Just about cleared all this stuff away. Get more updates as the day goes on. So it's 10:35 right now, and outside we have just left and complete shed knocked down. Space is marked out, ready for Monday when the excavator and big machines coming in. So yeah, big pile of bricks over here. And yeah, that's about it. So hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. And again, make sure you like and subscribe for more updates. And yeah, see you all tomorrow. Oh, hi. Okay. I'm here with Abby. How's your athletics go today? Did you get first? Second? Third? Right, and Lexi's here as well. How was the athletics today?
Terrible.
Huh?
Terrible.
Did you come first?
I came first in 200 meters.
Did you come second?
No.
Did you come third?
In 100 meters. But
But
the house you could came last.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I know to say goodbye, and that would be like a couple seconds ago from when this video is released. But okay, enough with the hand gestures. We're gonna do some booster launches now after we finish our ice cream.
We can give you a. It's amazing.
So you want it's booster launches time?
So what are booster launches?
Yeah, we're not doing real booster launches, we're doing fake booster launches. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the go-kart that's out there at the moment, and we're going to start the engine, hold the brake on, do it some accelerator, and then once it goes to that, let go of the brake, and you should go and take off. So hopefully it works.
Nice. If it doesn't, he's gonna die.
Probably. So, see you then. Guys, what time is it?
4:13. I don't know.
Look what you're sitting on. What time is it?
4:13.
Boosted launches time.
Yeah.
So,
Do you want me to hold it?
what we're gonna do is we're gonna sit down here. So first thing you gotta do, flick this switch on. Then you gotta test, make sure the brakes are working. Make sure the accelerator's working. Get the wheels straight in line. And then what you gotta do after that is come around back here, start it. And then what we do is Ep.2 on the switch set, go around the front. Alright, so what we gotta do, just gotta get the tent with the brakes in. Stick your feet up here, make sure that's straight. Then accelerator, just like rev it up a bit. I'll have to do a few dummy runs just to get the engine warmed up. And then hold the accelerator in. Let go. Simple as that, and you should. Hopefully it'll work. Alright, pause the video. Alright, so. Okay. Alright, so just to make sure it's safe, I'm gonna be the first one to try this. So hopefully it's safe. Alright, so what we gotta do first, we gotta flip the on switch on. Alright, try one. So,
Yeah.
fun. Right, so that's about it for today. Finished our boosted launches. We'll be back tomorrow with probably a music video because there's back out. Right, so
I zoomed in at that
we'll
moment.
probably be back tomorrow for a music video because they're not going to be here till Monday. And yeah, so see you later.